Because I'm a that on it. That on the work, I work hard in that place, you see me? Yeah, man, that's how I think, set. You see me? I don't know. On the ESQ again, you know? You see me? Long time I'm not there on the ESQ, you see me? It's a life. I'll be a life me I talk about, I don't know, construction, contractor. Yeah, take me, I go on with. You see me? I'll be let go. I'll be let go. Dirty Babylon there. You hear that? Bobby wrong them. They wrong this time there with I and I try hold I and I back, you know. But I can't stop I and I be a try. I get out of the place, out of the community, you see it? Everything good, everything nice. See it? When I work with to a body book, you see me? 1, 2, 3, I'm done it. Build it and chill it. One away. Big producer. Big original thing me have. You don't know. Global we say. You lock ya. You lock your parties and we don't stop fire it and bust it. Anyway, in the world, with that. When I left it. The boy not giving no license bus, nothing about that. And we have a license bus from Jaja. Straight. We love it. Hold the faith. Can't watch me, I want millions and millions of viewers watch I like thing out of Miami, India, Thailand, America, all boys, the whole of Jamaica. Come follow me out and bad. You see me? That's how the roll boys out and bad. Yes, Joe. Brixton. Nah, out.